Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically move new emails that come into your Gmail client to be moved and organized into a specific folder that you designate. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select More on the left panel here, and then select where it says Create a New Label. At this point, create a new label, so you could say whatever you want the designated name of it to be that you want all these new emails to be going to. And I'm going to select create, and then once that's done, it should be over here on the left side here underneath labels. Now we're going to direct certain emails to that new folder or label we created. In order to do that, select the gear icon at the top right that says settings when you hover over it, and then select see all settings. Select filters and block addresses, and then select underneath the following filters are applied to all incoming mail. Select the create a new filter button, and where it says from, you type in the address you want the new mail to be coming from that you want to direct into that new folder. And if you want to add certain other specifications, like if it includes certain words or the subject line, you can. And you can select search in here to make sure that it actually comes up with the results you're looking for. And then once you've done that, just want to make sure again that you have the correct results in here. You would select again, go back underneath the settings in here, see all settings, filters and blocked addresses, create a new filter. And then we're just again going to go back in here and then select create filter. And then you can select where it says apply the label, and where it says choose a label, click the drop down, select the folder we created here, which we just called the YouTube labels. Select create filter, and that's all you have to do. If you want to edit these settings later, you just come back into the filters and blocked addresses section, and you can edit it if you want to modify the parameters, or you can also just delete the filter altogether by just selecting the delete button that corresponds directly across from it in here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.